Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple Watch and iPhone are updated and near each other, because pairing and verification happen between them. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, then add card and follow on-screen prompts to scan or enter card info. Once added, verify the card through the bank's chosen method, often SMS or your bank app, and make that card the default if you plan to use it most. Once your card is on the watch, double-press the side button to summon Apple Pay. This quick gesture avoids digging for your phone. Make sure you select the right card by swiping left or right, then hold the watch close to the contactless reader. The display will animate when communicating. Expect a subtle haptic, a beep, or a check mark on screen that confirms payment. If you're prompted, enter a PIN or follow the terminal's instructions to finish. To finish, review your receipt in Wallet on the watch or check the transaction list in the Watch app on your iPhone so you know the amount and merchant. If a payment is declined, make sure the card is still verified, your iPhone has connectivity during setup, and you haven't hit bank limits. If problems persist, restart both devices, remove and re-add the card, and finally contact your bank. Doing these steps addresses most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.